Hi everyone, welcome back to Home Time XYZ's Natasha. Hope you're having a great day and thank you for your time. Happy that you're here. So yes, today I'm wearing a turtleneck. Why? Because it's cold in Canada. We've had some really cold minus weather, so it's been a little bit crazy here. And my go-to is just turtlenecks. Especially in the winter, I have several, mostly black, but I just put on a turtleneck, maybe a vest under, sometimes a sweater over if needed, and a jacket, and you're set to go. It's just easy, casual, comfy wear. So I work at a grocery store, and one day I walked in and I saw these chocolate chip cookies, and they looked so good. And I was like, oh my goodness, I need some keto chocolate chip cookies because they weren't keto. So I came on my search one app and I found these ones. I linked the original recipe, which is all they dream of food, and I decided let's try these keto cookies. I've never tried them before, so I've just made them. I'm going to show you the process of making them, and then we'll try them, of course, in the air fryer. So hopefully they're great because it looked the one is so good. And these are now keto friendly with almond flour. I think it'll be good. And it's really quick. So I got some sugar free chocolate chip, milk chocolate chip. I should show you that. Where might it be? Okay, so I got these milk bacon chips, sugar free. They have stevia in them. Now I've seen the one from Swerve, but I haven't been able to get that one. It's never in stock, so I don't have that one. But I liked it because I like Swerve. I use the Swerve substitute sugar for everything, so I like that one. So I'm gonna look for it, and then we can try another recipe. This is one of the recipes I found. There's another one too we can try, but I wanted to try this one first, see how it is, and then maybe we can change it up. So I did the chocolate chip, and then I used the same batter, and I did one. I just put some pecans and some coconut in it. I like coconut in a lot of stuff. It's just I'm from the West Indies, so of course coconut with everything just tastes great to me. It never fails, you know. So I put coconut in sometimes, so we'll try it as well. So first, let me just show you the process. Thanks for your time. Thanks for being here, and let's see how it tastes in a bit. So when we have our 2 cups of flour, I'm gonna put in all my dry ingredients first. This sugar, so of course, is the Swerve substitute, and loose half cup. You can make it sweeter if you want. The original recipe was 3/4 cup. I found that to be a lot. It will be sweet because then we're gonna put the chocolate chip in it, right? It's gonna be very sweet. So we have our salt, and we have our baking soda. Now this is the aluminum-free baking soda. You can use any baking soda. That's what I have on hand. And we have our butter, and we have our egg. Let's just put this together here. Oops. And then essence, of course. I always say you can never have enough essence. So it's vanilla essence. And I'm gonna put this in. There we go. And then just mix it up. These recipes are just quick, right? So you feel a little munchy, you want to have something sweet. It's a great go-to. Okay, everyone, so I'm going to separate the mixture. I'm just going to make 2. So I'm going to do some sugar there. I'm going to do chocolate chip, and one of them I'm going to do some pecans. So I like nuts and stuff. So this one, put some pecans in there, and some coconut. Shredded coconut, unsweetened shredded coconut. I don't know, guys. I think coconut makes everything taste great. Like, you know, coconut in cake, coconut in cookies, coconut in baked goods. Growing up, one of my favorite baked goods was coconut tart. So good. Let's get the chocolate chips here. I'm just gonna sprinkle a little bit in it. There we go. So we have our chocolate chip cookies. I think that's enough. I don't think we need a whole bunch of it. And then we have pecan and coconut flakes, chocolate chip. So let's see how they come out. So let's do the chocolate chip. So when they come out, usually they tend to be a little soft, but as you see over time, they get hotter and you're good to go, right? Mm-hmm. You smell good too. Mm-hmm. The texture is great. It's crispy. It tastes good. It does. I would say if you want more chocolate chip, so I think it's just perfect for me. It's not too sweet. It's not too sweet. It's just perfect. But if you really want that big chocolatey taste, put more chocolate chip than I did, and you'll get that taste in it. I don't think it needs any more sugar. You can put more sugar if you want, but I put half a cup, and I think that was more than enough for me. So I like it. It's good. Let's try this one. This is the one with the pecan and coconut. I think you can go wrong with that. Ooh, guys, and this one is crispy. You can hear the crunch. Mm, mm. I like this one. I like that one too, but oh, you know what I should do then? I should put some chocolate chip in this one, just a little bit. Oh, that would be a game changer. And if you want to make them flatter, you can. So if you want it to be, more thin, like a typical chocolate chip cookie, you can do that, right? Wow, I can even put these in a mold. It'd be fantastic. But I think this is great. I like this. So, of course, I'm gonna get some tea now, and then I'm gonna have some cookies. It's fantastic. So I'll make these again. They taste great. There's another recipe to try, but these are great. The chocolate chip is fantastic. I got these ones from Amazon. If there's a link, I can put it below. But when I find a Swerve one, I think that'll be game changer for me. But this is good. I think I'm gonna try and do it again. Put some chocolate chip in it. So chocolate chip and the coconut together will be amazing. But yeah, so guys, I want you to try it. Tell me what you think. It's an easy recipe, easy to do. These are quick things. Air fryer. So 280, 20 minutes, and then you flip it, put it for 5 minutes because you want the next side to be crispy. And I think that helps with the crunchiness and everything. Just let it cool, and then you can serve it with some tea, water, whatever, the usual, right? Or just sit down with a bowl of it by yourself in front of the TV and eat it with. Whatever you want. But I hope you try. Let me know. Leave a comment. Come back next time. We'll see what we can do. Thank you for coming back this time. Share the video. Subscribe. Thanks for your time. God bless you. Have a good day. Bye. Well, since recording the videos, I've gotten some tea and I've made 3 batches of cookie. This is the one I made with the chocolate chip and coconut and pecans together. It's so good. So you can try that one. So good. Cheers.